Hey viewers, if you wanted to know how I create my amazing Instagram post to gain followers using Photoshop, then stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to create one. Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Yogesh and welcome to this Instagram post creation episode 1. For today's creation, I'm going to use these images and with using Photoshop, I'm going to create one amazing Instagram post like this. It will be much better if you see it at the end. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. The size of this canvas is 2100 into 2700 because it's the largest size available on Instagram post. And now I'm starting with this space image and placing it like this. Now applying levels to make it a bit more darker. Then adding a planet at the bottom, and with the help of layer mask I'll remove the background. Cool, right? Now adding this man over the planet to make it look like he's chilling in this space. Then again applying levels to make it darker. Now adding another planet in position, little bit above the blue planet. And then adding this red planet, but this one should be a little bigger in size. Perfect. Now adding a solid color to add some glow to the lava deposits on the black planet, and look, it started getting much better than previous. Now adding levels to the red planet, maybe I can call it Venus because it's brighter than others. Then maybe I should add some glow to this red giant also. Amazing. Then I think I should add some blue light to this blue planet. And as this black planet is close to the blue one, it should have some reflections of it. Maybe it should also have some red shine because of the red giant located nearby him. Then applying solid color to the place where the man is enjoying this beautiful scenery. I wish I could have this to focus. Okay, now I have one picture of the astronaut, so let's place it. Then we have the Mama Earth also, so let's place it here. Then maybe I should add some shadows to it, so let's apply some levels. Now adding one more black planet, but this one should lie at some great distance, so I will make it comparatively smaller. Also, I think I should create one ring around it, so many of you guys can get attracted to this Photoshop. Maybe this color will be perfect for it, I guess. Now things are done, so I think I should add one kind of watermark. By the way, it's my Instagram handle @artistic_art08. Well, everything is done now, so it's time to apply camera raw filter to it, so just watch it. This is what we we call creativity, right? But I was still not completely satisfied with it, so I spent little more time on it and came up with this image. So tell me guys, which one you think is much better. Let me know in the comment section. Also, you guys can tag your Photoshop artwork on my Instagram, which then I will share it here in my videos. So start doing it by today itself. And if you guys have not hit the like button yet, then do it right now, because it will give me some moral support to bring the next episode as early as possible and help me building one YouTube family. So do subscribe this channel and hit the bell to stay notified about future videos. And that's it guys, let's meet in the next episode. Till then, start tagging me on Instagram. Take care.